Hey everyone, Seth here with Eide Technology Consulting, and today I am going to show you how you can monitor campus risk at your university. Specifically, we will be focusing on the spread of COVID-19 at a college campus by addressing two main components, risk and compliance. The general purpose of the report is to inform you of the overall risk at your college or university and assess the overall compliance of its students. It provides actionable insights for college administrators that help you track both current and trending situations and allow you to make data-driven decisions regarding your campus safety. You will be able to have a better understanding of how many students are affected by the coronavirus using the symptom check, see how compliant students are in tracking their symptoms, and ultimately prevent the spread of the virus by tracking these symptoms across your campus using campus hotspots and top influencers. So let's dive into the report. This is the overview page. This page acts as a main terminal for the report. It highlights the key metrics you want and gives an overview of your campus risk. These four color thresholds help you understand how much risk is on your campus, where green indicates low risk and red indicates high risk. As desired, you can select an area of concern and drill through to view more details on what is causing risk. For example, you can view more details on student survey responsiveness by clicking on the card at the top of this dashboard. Here, I can investigate how compliance varies by person type, housing option, and year in school. By selecting options in this decision tree, I can then view the trends over time and how they are changing and impacting the overall compliance score. In this example, it seems that freshmen and sophomores in the off-campus housing have lower compliance to daily surveys and therefore contribute more to the overall campus risk. In the main body of the overview page, you will be able to access information on all the aspects of risk, including the daily symptom check, commitment survey, campus observation, and other risk factors. The campus map flows with each aspect of risk and highlights buildings on your campus that are more at risk than others. Each of these links will take you to a report that breaks down the events causing risk while continuing to highlight areas on the campus that are at risk. Let's look at the symptom check details. On the left of this report, we can see a list of all the possible symptoms of COVID-19. From here, you can drill down on a specific symptom and see how many students and faculty show signs of each symptom, as well as showing how much weight it is contributing to the overall risk. Alternatively, you can also select an item from this list to view what buildings are being affected. For example, if we click on this professionally requested to quarantine, we can see that certain buildings have higher risk than others. By visualizing the hotspots on your campus, you will be able to take preventative measures that will keep your faculty and students safe from dangerous areas and stop the coronavirus from spreading as much as possible. There's so much more to discover. All of this information can be accessed in a few simple clicks and could help your institution make the appropriate decisions to further protect your faculty and students. So, I hope you found this demo helpful. As always, if you have any questions, our team is here to help. Click the link below to get in touch.